Hey, Mike. Thanks for coming. I need your help with something important.
Hey, Sarah. Of course. What's going on? You look excited.
I am. You know next Saturday is Lisa's birthday, right?
Oh no, I completely forgot. Yes, it's her 25th birthday.
Exactly. So I want to throw a surprise party for her, but I can't do it alone.
That's a great idea. She'll love it. Okay, tell me the plan.
First, we need a place. Her house is too small. Maybe your apartment?
Yeah, that works. My living room is big enough. What time?
Let's say 6 p.m., but tell her to come at 5:30 for a small dinner.
Nice lie. Okay, I can send her a fake invite.
Great. Now, who will bring food?
I can make pasta. What about you?
I'll bring a cake and some cold drinks. We also need chips and snacks.
Should we ask Emma to bring snacks?
Yes, let me call her right now.
Hello?
Hey, Emma, it's Sarah. Listen, we're planning a surprise birthday party for Lisa. Can you help?
Oh, I'd love to. What do you need?
Can you bring some chips, dip, and paper plates?
Sure, no problem. How many people are coming?
Around 10 to 12 people.
Got it. Anything else?
Yes! Don't tell Lisa, okay? It's a surprise.
Of course. My lips are sealed.
Thanks, Emma. I'll text you the address. Bye!
Bye.
Emma is in. Now, who will bring decorations? Balloons, banner, etc.
I can buy some. What color?
Pink and gold. Lisa loves those colours.
Okay, and what about music?
I'll make a playlist on my phone. We can connect it to your speaker.
Perfect. Any games or just food and chat?
Maybe just one game. Guess the gift? That's always fun.
Okay, I'll bring a blindfold.
Okay, most things are planned. Now, who will bring Lisa to the party?
We can't. She'll get suspicious.
True. Let's ask her cousin, Ryan. He can say, "Let's go get coffee," and bring her to your place at 5:30.
Smart. I'll text Ryan tonight.
Perfect. Let's meet one more time on Friday to set everything up.
Deal. I'm so excited now.
Me too. Lisa is going to be so happy.
She deserves it. Thanks for organizing this, Sarah.
Thanks for helping, Mike.